great. Got third place.
How was that yoga class you took yesterday?
Pass it here.
Over here, over here.
Awesome.
Nice shot.
Hey, I'm excited to try the rice bowl today.
Me too, I saw that on Viva.
Hi, Casey. Self-attest done. Thanks. Have a great day.
Hey Jasmine, did you have a chance to review that compliance document?
I did, and I ran it by legal and there's no issues with it.
Awesome idea, Jeremiah. Can we jump on Teams and relay that to everyone else?
Definitely, Nicole. I'll book a room now.
Wait, what's that?
Don't touch it.
Oh wow, that's so cool. I need to take this next call from the focus room.
It's project screen time, people.
And the interpreter stays on screen here.
I love it. You're always thinking 2 steps ahead. Okay, folks. How can we really make an impact?
Well, as Code Camp I volunteer at, we set up a loaner pool of Surface devices, so if you didn't have your own machine.
What have you been working on?
You know there's this new feature coming up for Teams?
All right, Ash, keep this quiet, but next month we'll release it.
All right, everyone, let's get started. Welcome all here, at home, and tuning in from different time zones.
A little disappointed Trip isn't joining us today, Jim.
Oh, you're right. Let me go get him. You're late for the meeting, little man.
What's the update, Trip? He's so big now.
Yeah, so we have the sexy.
Large black coffee for Stacy.
Thanks, that's just what I needed.
Okay, and we...
Good night, Adrian. Sweet dreams.
Welcome everyone here, at home, and tuning in later from different time zones.